Right now we are in St. Francis of Assisi Church. Just loaded off the first batch for the breakfast sale. Right after this, we're going to be setting it up and then we'll be good to go. So let me just park. I think I'll just park a little bit further. Right now, the Tamil Mass is going on and they will be the first batch who will come over for the breakfast sale. There's also the Pesta Keamatan that's going on in the afternoon today. So the breakfast sale will be held upstairs at the JP2 hall. Well, maybe I should take the stairs. So we're going to collect the food. Decided to take the lift because too many stairs. Too many times.
Leader in SFA, man.
Yeah.
Maybe in the whole of Malaysia, youngest music leader. Fire! Fire, never don't care. Simply fire. Fire around you or something.
Very good. What is this? Darling, isn't
Paper bag. What's the paper bag?
Very good.
I think finish already because they packed the...
Right.
We are at the breakfast sale, cutting up some extra banana cake, which turned out to be quite a success so far with the first Tamil and Mandarin community. So this is banana cake, super thick, $2.50, and I'll just fold it this way. And over there is the rest of the tea.
It's 9:40 a.m. The breakfast sale is still going on. We're waiting for the mass to be over. Then the huge crowd will be there. So far the sale is good.
Because for the African hair, right? You heard about that?
No lah.
You want African, natural one.
No, this is not the African car. This one is locks.
Not natural.
Landed. My daughter had small one, locks, why locks, right?
Yeah.
After that, no.
Gone. I remember your daughter, which was first one.
Good lah, very baby.
So you're
It was steady, one straight over the
exactly, yeah. Same. You're in leader of which BC?
St. Charles.
Okay. So you must train yourself up, give new ideas. One day take over the whole BC.
Not younger zone leader.
It is this training, training.
Next BC, take over. Fire.
Okay, all the best, huh?
No, I need to help you first.
Thank you.
Hey, your wife was there. She's the letter.
And after the cut, yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, is it maybe if you go sit out then at the bottom?
I don't know why she, she has all the straight hair.
So she had small curls. The bottom curls.
It's original, I mean, natural, sorry. Yes, yeah.
So hard on the like. Oh, okay.
Don't ever straighten it up.
Once in a while. Yes, not permanently lah.
Oh, no.
Just to have, just the photos.
Yeah, correct. Okay, thank you.
I'm here at the BEC Breakfast Sale. My team at the back here. Well, I'm the. And if we go over the other side, we have our BEC leader here, the treasurer over here. I'm, well, supporting what we do. Hello, good morning. So, here we are at BEC Breakfast Sale. Please. John Paul II Hall. Let's go. Over here we have the BEC leader. Coffee, banana cake, curry puffs. And now for the next part, cash with the finance team, and I'm the influencer.
His name is Bonanza.
Add me in the group also.
Okay, you drop me a message.
I get message to you.
Oh, okay.
Is a Bernardine Club or what?